Abuti, say hello to the children.
Molweni bantwana.
Today, we're talking about clothes. Are you ready, kids?
Yeah!
First of all, the word for pants in isiXhosa is ibhulukhwe.
Ibhulukhwe.
And the word for shirt is ihempe.
Ihempe.
The word for dress in isiXhosa is ilokhwe.
Ilokhwe.
And the word for shoe is isihlangu.
Izihlangu.
But the word for shoes is izihlangu.
Izihlangu.
And the word for sock is ikawusi.
Ikawusi.
But the word for socks is ikawusi.
Ikawusi.
So, we have ibhulukhwe,
Ibhulukhwe.
ihempe,
Ihempe.
ilokhwe,
Ilokhwe.
ikawusi,
Ikawusi.
and izihlangu.
Izihlangu.
And now you know the words for clothes. Goodbye, Abuti. Goodbye, kids. See you next time.
Nisale kakuhle.